Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Just gonna be back in a sec. Alrighty. Let's get this set up. There we go. This is going to be incredibly awesome if somehow I get the MX Garand. That is going to be probably the sickest thing ever. Ba 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 ba. Play some appropriate music for the background, if you know what I mean. Something that won't get me fucked. Ugh, thinky snitch. Play some music that may question my sexuality, if you know what I mean. With gay Vladimir Putin. Fuck yeah. Let this go. Let's get some ladies at the clubs, yeah? I was really hoping for some viewers, you know? But I guess not. I don't know. Sometimes people just aren't interested, and I'm fine with that. It's like some really weird 80s music you find at a gay bar. Okay, starting at 7:08, 2 minutes, let's go. And that is what I call a great song. Let's pray I get the weapon in under $50 so that I'm able to buy the goddamn season pass. So that I can get these goddamn maps for less than $10 in total. Sounds weird. I'm just playing some random background music that I use for my YouTube videos. So, I didn't. No, I don't want that song. I don't have any. I don't have any good music. Music that won't get me any copyright infringements on my ass. Clearly fucking not. All I have is just random background shit. Yeah, I can't play anything good. I might as well just get this thing started, if you know what I mean. Alrighty. Let's purchase some COD points. Let's see here. I want to play it safe. I don't want to buy that in total. What'll be my difference here? 7,400. $7,400. Oh well. We'll figure that out when the time comes. 7:08, so it's about time to get shit done. I got about 40 minutes left on my dryer, so let's get this done before then. Oh no. It'll be 6,100. I'm an idiot. So yeah, in reality, I'll be making 800 less than going straight up, so. Sweet baby Jesus. Oh well. Fuck it. Wait, there's tax on this shit? Holy fuck. Well, looks like I'm for sure not gonna be doing over 100. Fuck. Cost me, so I probably have like $48. Okay, it looks like I'm not gonna. This will actually work. There we go. Well, looks like I won't be able to do any more. Shit. I thought I didn't realize there was tax on it. Never really came to mind. Oh well. Well, it looks like we're about to start. 7:10. Mark the time. Alright, for some reason my goddamn thing keeps refreshing. And we'll get this thing started. So let us pray that I get the new weapon right off the bat. Which I highly doubt that'll ever happen in my life. Alright, let's get things going. Ooh, nice seraph head there. This sadly got a fucking owl. Indeed. Oh, prestige. Oh, I want to know what that looks like. What does that look like? Okay, prestige locust camo. Take this out, because fuck it. It has all the symbols on it, but it doesn't look very. No, I don't like it at all. It doesn't look flashy. I'm only in the flashy shit.
Let's go.
Oh, this is terrible. That was complete balls. Fuck off. Ah, come on.
Try not to look so
Throw me a
smart.
fucking bone here.
Doesn't sell that badass image of yours.
I want the new weapon. I don't want taunts and gestures constantly. God damn. No. Yeah,
I always got the best.
might as well use this already. Oh, no, fuck. Ooh. Ooh, gem.
You wanna take care
That looks nice. I'm not gonna lie.
of those and scumbags everywhere, man.
Oh, ritual. Ooh, I even got a battery body, even though I don't even use battery.
Early today.
What do you know? Come on. Ooh, Jester Reaper body. That's pretty nice, not gonna lie. Even a Firebreak Sky head. That's pretty nice. Even a Prophet body. Oh, that was just all prosthetics. No shit. I keep getting doubles. What the fuck?
Doesn't sell that badass.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, you slut.
Hey,
You fucking slut. Again. Oh. No. No. Fuck. Damn it. Ah. Another Firebreak.
get out of here.
What is up?
I should take it.
Oh, I thought it was. Oh.
Wow,
God damn it.
things worth more than all your other shit.
Oh, thanks, bud. Geist helmet. Ooh.
Man, that's pretty sweet, right?
Oh, ritual. God damn it. God damn.
That's some serious swagger right
Too bad I won't be using the ritual since I'm too busy rocking the gold camo on it. So let's take a look here. Gold. What does this look like? That looks like magma from Advanced Warfare. That doesn't impress me. Doesn't impress me at all.
Got out of the lone game years ago. Let's see what we get.
Okay. Come on, give me something good. Give me something good. Fuck! Wasting my time, Bondi.
Be happy with that.
Wasting my goddamn time. Ooh. Ooh, monochrome. It's gotta be my favorite epic camo so far. Oh, and a ritual again. Come on. Caterpillar. Nice, nice, nice. Everything good.
These. I'm close to some early.
God damn it. God fucking damn it. Ooh. Oh, so I think I got both now. I got the head and body.
Sweet.
Oh, bunny decal. Oh, samurai. Oh, monochrome. Yes, please. Oh my god, I'm having a great time now. But not enough to make me extra happy. Not bad. Oh. Nah. No. Ooh. Ooh. Monochrome makes me happy every fucking time. I'll stop at 6,000. Prestige again, Sky. Oh, the Jester.
I really got
That
feeling
is
for you.
beautiful.
I go getting him away.
I'll give him a hand. Not having any good luck with legendaries. Again, oh my god. Storm, okay, I'll give him that. Storm is a good camo. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, that was terrible.
Got some good
Okay, I'm gonna stop here for now. Recently required. Let's see what any good ones we got. The Eviction looks pretty nice. Storm is always a good camo to have. Light. I have never seen that camo before. I'll look at. The Jester looks nice. Prestige, meh. Jailbird looks pretty good. Knight with Firebreak. Really? That looks really nice. I'll use that for sure. Goth. Oh, that looks beautiful. I'm gonna burn some duplicates right now just to make sure.
They're gone.
Thank you, 24 keys. Love you. Okay, I want to make sure what this light camo is. I have no idea what. Oh, how is this a legendary? This looks like a rare. What the fuck? Put a little bit of hexagons on it. Oh, we'll call it a legendary. No, that's not a legendary. It's a fucking rare. Even a common that could pass off as a good common. Like,
You're still alive?
I hate all this shit he talks. Just fuck off, please. What am I gonna do now?
I want to see what
Okay, whatever. Come on. Come on. No. Fuck. No. Huh? Screw you. I'm not gonna get it. Fuck. No. Why? I don't want those long barrel variants. Pisses me off every time. Oh, it's the Prestige. You get classic comics. Pretty nice.
sell too many of these.
I don't either. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
You want to take care
I don't want prosthetics. They're pointless on guns. Again, why? That's like a common supply drop.
That's pretty sweet, right?
No, it's not. Shut up. God damn it. God fucking damn it. Are you kidding me?
Best stuff for you.
Piss off. Monochrome again. Whoop de fucking do.
Check it out.
I am gonna have some fun. Ooh, quick draw variant. I'm gonna have fun with that.
Got people lining up for it. Got some good stuff in stock.
4,000 left. Etching. I'm gonna see this. Is it gonna be another really bad camo? It's gonna piss me off. It's alright. I can't see it very well, but I'll give it the benefit of the doubt. If I probably look at this a lot closer, it'd probably be pretty nice, but to be honest, right now, not at all impressed.
I thought today could never know what's in these.
Shut up. I already have that. God damn it. Fuck. Fuck you.
Always got the best stuff for you. You know it.
I know it. Matthew. Oh. Oh. Come on, give me something good. I'll put my money into you. You know what, this time I'm gonna pray to Vandahar. Praise be to Vandahar, our mighty Lord and Savior. You are better than Lord Gaben any day of the week. Let me close down my Steam to make sure that he does not hear me squeak. Praise be to Vondi, creator of the Call of Duty. Please give me the new MX Garand for Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Let me tweet at Vandahar to make sure. At Vandahar, just tweeting for good luck. Thank you, David. I hope you're having a great day. Now, we praise to you, David Vandihar. Vonda, I'm going to call you Vondi because I'm sick and tired of saying your whole name. Please, give us a new weapon, for I shall be your servant till the end of time. You goddamn did it, Vondi. You just dug yourself a hole. Thank you, Vondi. I love you, pal. Just screwing me off right now. I'm doing a lot worse since I started doing that.
You gotta be happy with that.
No, actually, I am not at all happy.
Try not to look so surprised.
The Swindler camo looks like a disease. No. Yay! Fantastic. I am just loving this so far. No. No. No, why? Why would you show me the purples and then just immediately go for a common? Fuck you. Fuck you. Oh, thank God. Oh, I was just wishing for a common. Again, really? Why? Come on. Why? What's the point of having them there if they're just gonna flash by and never giving you what you want? Oh boy. Oh boy, etching camo for the dingo. I've never used the dingo, nor the POX.
Serious weather right there.
Oh, that's actually, I like that. I like that. I need a good camo for my can. Nope. Not up. I'll give you much love, Vondi. Yes. No. Well, I'll tell you that. That was a waste of my fucking money. Goddamn. I thought I'd at least get one of the new weapons. Let's see if we can burn some duplicates. 10 common, 7 rare, and 2 ledge.
Stockpile too many of these, people take notice. Dangerous people.
45 crypto keys. Alright. Alright, let's do this then.
Let's do this.
Somebody tells me this is gonna be complete disappointment. Ooh, fast mags variant. Ooh, a little clip. Congratulations. Oh. Oh. No! That's not good. Yes, I can complete it.
Nice. Very nice. Got people lining up.
I got something. Yes! Fuck yeah. At least I got something. Even if it wasn't the new gun. At least I got the fucking butterfly knife. Something that I can't get in CSGO. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh, that is just great. Even the... I'm gonna be using the Jester. Constantly with a fucking butterfly knife. Woo! Oh, that's just... That's beautiful. I love it. Okay. I'm going to that class. Yay! Oh, I gotta earn it up. Fuck. Yay, Matthew! Guess I can only use this for now on. Yay!
Just when I thought today.
Burn the duplicates now! 18 crypto keys, good enough. Pray for something better.
Do what you gotta do.
Yes!
The best for the
Oh my fucking god. Back to fucking back. That's what I call luck. Did Vondi retweet? Or, no, he didn't. I'm surprised. So that would have been awesome if he would have, like, favored it or something and just all of a fucking sudden. Ooh, this is great. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yay! Double barrel buckshot cannon fires 2 12-gauge shells with each trigger pull and reloads after each shot. That range is complete garbage, but look at that damage. Fucking Christ. My god, I'm gonna have a fucking blast playing this. Oh, this and the butterfly knife.
No sudden movements. Security tour's been acting up all day.
Oh, that was... Yes, please. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Oh my god, that was... This is awesome. Totally worth it in the end, to be honest. Oh my god, yes. I wanted that. I've always wanted the storm for it.
Nice. Serious nice.
Knuckle sandwich. Sunshine camo is surprisingly really good for a rare. I'm not gonna lie. I honestly hate that the fact that I get dingo stuff because I don't even use the dingo. I completely hate LMGs in this game. Ooh, eviction. Nice. Alright, we're almost at the end. I got 2 sidearms I loved. But I haven't got that new rifle. Goddamn. And another jester. Oh, I got enough for another one. See how much I get out of this. 34 crypto keys. That's believable. Come on. Praise gaming. Oh, looks like this is it. Come on. Come on. Ah! No! Oh, okay. God damn it. I know. It's completely badass, if you know what I mean. You know what? In the end, I got 2 pretty nice stuff. I wish I honestly would have gotten that rifle. That would have been the best thing ever. But you know, sometimes you can't always get what you want. That's pretty nice. But the samurai helmet is just beautiful. Good game. Phew. Close call. Threaten. The choke. Fuck you. Boast. Ooh, what a guy. Ha ha ha. No. I think the laughing one is the best. Nomad. What do I got? I already had the night one, which was early on. It was not really good. Oh my god, the grave digger. It's so bad. I'm grave digging that. Finger whop. Oh, no. The fucking shrug. I'll purposely unlock it just so I can see what I got. Templar. Oh, yes. That's beautiful. Too bad I didn't get the body version. Good game. Gotta bow for the crowd. Templars always bow. Templars always bowing. Cash money. Oh my god, yes. Pop and lock. Yes, the pop and lock. The pop and fucking lock. What do you got for body? I got the Geist. Very nice. Very nice. Knight. Surprisingly racist. Classic comics. Oh, that looks pretty nice. The Geist. Oh, yeah, that looks beautiful. That's beautiful. And for taunts, I already had the piece. I hate salute. Yes, baby. Threaten. Choke. Whatever. Fuck it. Seraph. Too many fucking ones. Close call. Yeah. Peace. Oh, point. Whatever. I'll put point on this one. No threats. Oh, yes. Yes. Sky, yeah. But the goth, though. Ooh, full goth loadout. That's weird. For some of them, they don't come up. That's weird. Honestly, Jailboard and classic comics surprisingly go well together. I want to make sure I didn't miss anything here. I already have the deity one. Good enough. It didn't come up when I was looking through. Okay, nothing.
Enough talk. Let's get down
Whoopsie
range.
daisies. Okay, I actually didn't unlock anything for him. I only got the sky ones. Those are the early ones that all look complete garbage. The Geist, yes.
You knew you'd be facing me, and that's what you brought?
Good enough. I love the one where it's like the killer of scrubs. Champ. Yeah, always has to be champ. And I can't look at those once I get to them. It's a shame, really. Oh, yay. Let's take out this really shitty paint job. I can either put Storm or Monochrome on it. Which do I want? I want to put on Storm. I've never used Storm. I already have the red hex for the pistol here. I can put on another Storm etching. Put the all Storm loadout. This one I was so hyped about. It's the first camo I got for it. That happens to be one of my favorite camos. Still, the ritual kind of looks dull. I hate it. The royal is, although it's a copy of the, which one? It's the copy of the integer, but just purpleized and with a little bit of blue in it. It's still pretty good for a common. I'll throw that on. The Weevil, I got good camos. I tend to get more camos for the Weevil, especially like War Torn. It's pretty nice. The Verde is always terrible. Infrared. Like I said, this is just like a shiny version of the Royal / Integer. I don't know if I want to keep Monochrome on. Yeah, I'm going to keep Monochrome on. Because that's sick. Now, if I'm going to put Pharaoh. What did I get for it again? Oh, yeah, right. I got complete shit all for it. What was the point of unlocking it? ICR. What was that good one? Oh, yeah, the Storm camo. Yay. And, of course, the new shotgun pistol. And the butterfly knife. Ooh. Overall, case opening was kind of balls. Like, I didn't get this booger. The newly added sword. I want the sword so badly out of all the melees. And then the crowbar. Let's get the Half-Life 2 in there. But overall, I just really wanted this thing. I think I'm really going to have to save up for it. But all in all, I thought it was pretty good.
Failure will not be tolerated.
Oh, thank you, baby. All in all, guys, I'd like to say thanks for watching, and overall, yeah, I do think it was I thought it was a pretty successful opening. In a way, but you know what? Next time, I hope I somehow end up getting that gun, and